Hey everyone, so here is Paysend app. It's one of the top apps to send money. Uh, you can send money to over 90 countries. And yeah, to install it on iOS, just tap Get. And then you just confirm with the Touch ID or Face ID. And then the size is 53 megabytes. Yeah, it's quite a fast growing app. Of course, there is like Wise, there is TransferGo or Western Union, but this app is quite popular in some areas, in some countries, because basically it has some like instant delivery and it has like super low fees somewhere. So that's what I've heard from my friends. So it's registered in United Kingdom. So let's just open it up. And then I can just create an account, or they have a super cool feature which is called just try out. So if I want to send like 700 Danish krona, I want to, which is around like $100, and then I can just select to any card. And then it should arrive in a few minutes. So as you can see here, if I want to save money, you can just add your friends invite code. And then you can just get started here. But then again, you will need to create an account. So that's how it works. So hope this quick preview was helpful. So definitely give a try to this app. Registration is free, app is free, and super low commission. So like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io on the web.